When I was a child, my mother would tuck me into bed, and each night as she kissed me, these are the words that she said. She said, "Don't go to bed with strangers. Don't play with the dead. Always keep your wit sharp like an axe inside the shed." When I was just a schoolboy, my father, he spoke unto me. He said, "Boy chick, my son, don't trust anyone, and to remember that nothing is free, and the world is full of strangers. The world is full of dread. The world is full of sharpened wits, and millions of tears you will shed." When I was a young man, my professor at university said advice is corrupting. Don't ever be trusting. Don't show your emotions. Human suffering is an ocean. It is dark at the bottom of the sea, and there's no such thing as a stranger. We're all equally